In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove phone numbers on PayPal. If you want to update your account details and delete an old or unwanted phone number from your PayPal profile, this process is very simple and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through exactly where to go so you can make the change quickly and confidently. To begin, log into your PayPal account. Once you're on the main account page, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. This is the settings area, and it's where PayPal keeps your personal account information and account preferences. After you click the gear icon, you'll be taken into your settings. From here, go to the Account tab. This section contains the core details connected to your PayPal account, so it's the right place to manage contact information like your phone numbers. Inside the Account tab, you'll see your account details displayed on the page. This includes the phone numbers currently linked to your PayPal profile. Take a moment to review the information carefully so you remove the correct number, especially if you have more than one listed. Next, click on See All Phone Numbers. This will open the full list of phone numbers saved to your account. Once you're there, find the phone number you want to delete and click Remove next to that number. After you select Remove, PayPal may ask you to confirm the action. If it does, just follow the prompt to complete the removal. Make sure you only remove a number you no longer need, especially if it's being used for account security or login verification. If your account relies on a specific number for important notifications, you may want to double-check that another valid number is already on file before deleting anything. And that's all there is to it. Once the number has been removed, your account details will be updated. As a quick tip, after making changes like this, it's a good idea to review the rest of your contact information in the same settings area to make sure everything is current and accurate. Keeping your account details updated can help avoid issues with security alerts, verification, or account recovery later on. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you remove a phone number from your PayPal account quickly and easily.